USA heavy rainfall causes major flooding in New York City subway system. Torrential rainfall has led to severe flooding across New York City's underground subway system, disrupting public transportation and stranding passengers. Videos from the scene show water gushing into subway stations and train cars, forcing commuters to evacuate for safety. The Metropolitan Transportation Authority (MTA) suspended several train services while emergency crews work to drain the water and restore operations. Authorities are urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel as more rain is expected in the coming hours. Further updates to follow.